Okay, y'all, this is my first time outside today. Y'all, where all this damn rain come from? And I heard it this morning. I'm like, damn, and it's 3:47. And it's still raining. I'm like, where the fuck did all this rain come from? Like, good Lord, it's just terribly wet out here. Hola. Okay, I'm not trying to walk up to y'all goddamn car. I'm trying to get there. Honey, where did all this fucking rain come from? Honey, boo-boo, child, this is just too much damn rain. Hell nah. See, like I say, once I get all my shit situated, baby, I'ma have me a coverage or something. Cause some kind of plastic or something. Or like they say, plastic. This shit that Mexican people are doing. Right there by that window is who it belongs to. Ooh, yeah. If I didn't have to come check the mailbox, I wouldn't. Ooh, no. This is how I feel when a hurricane comes. How it looks. It be hot and wet. Or warm and wet. Baby. And that's one reason why I do not want to stay here. Yeah, please send me some goddamn mail. I'm not gonna be coming up here for nothing. Damn. Nothing really. So I came out the goddamn house for this. Ingrid Griselda Maldonado Rivera. You got mail, sis? I don't know who the hell them people is. Raina Garcia, you got mail. Glenn Butler, you got mail. Jose R. Guerrero Acosta, you got mail. Aurelio Bacara Flores, you got mail. Twice. 3 times. And Rebecca O. Acejeo, you got mail. Damn, where the fuck is my mail, honey? I ain't get shit in there. Let me take my ass back to this damn house. Shit, look at this, y'all. And this is by the mailbox, this is. Ooh, no. And then it's a bio down here, down the street down there. Baby, hell no. Ta-da-na-na. I said, hell no. Oh, no. Baby, yeah. I'm gonna go buy ass back in this goddamn house. Because it is cold and wet. And this ain't the weather for me, honey. At all whatsoever, baby. This ain't the weather for me. Like I say, where the hell this rain come from? This is just not. No. Like, hell no, where this rain come from? I see you got a spot back. Shit. I can't even walk that way because of damn. Look at this. Muddy. Let me take my ass in this damn house for free. Well, look at this. It's just, no. Not my kind of weather, baby. I will see y'all later. Y'all have a blessed day. Hopefully we won't have no more dreary days.